Okay, first you want to take out the battery. This way you don't short anything out with the memory or anything else like that. You have a less likely of a chance. Okay, now you take something, a little screwdriver or a knife, and you're looking for right above the escape key. There's a little latch, and above the between the F6 and F5 key. You push it a little to the back, and there's one over the F11 key. These ones are loose. F11 key and the delete key. Then the keyboard just pops right out. You can see these little tabs that go in first when you're reinstalling. Very simple. I don't know if you can see this well. There's a little connector here. This has to actually flip up a little. Not sure which way this goes. Yeah, it flips that way. It's a little black thing that flips against its white and mine. Then this whole keyboard comes out. Very simple. Okay, now for the memory. Very simple. There's two stages here. I don't know which one you're replacing. It just pops up like that. If you're doing the bottom one, if you got the new ones, you want to match them up. I've already matched this one up to the other one. I just put them in. You get a little angle like that. Hold both sides. Clips right in. Now I'm taking this apart actually because I'm adding memory. These hold up to 8 gigabytes total, and I've got 2 sets of 4. So the same thing with this top one. It goes in at a little angle, and then you just pop it right in like that. Very simple. Now if you're just doing memory, you're not going to have to reinstall the keyboard, but I had the keyboard out because I'm replacing the keyboard as well because my number 7 key is messed up on mine. I don't know if you can see it. You slide this into the it's kind of tough. You make sure that little black thing that you kicked up before is up. You want to slide this in so that it seats. Got some issues. I have issues, you know? Jesus. It's got to go in right. Feel it when it goes in right. It's got a little ridge you can push against. You can't force anything. That's the thing with these things. Never force anything. On a computer, especially a laptop. That was aggravating. Okay, I got it in seated now. And you just flip that little black thing down. You can tell if it's lined up, that it's in there right. Okay, and then I can put in an illuminated keyboard somehow. I don't know how. But this isn't illuminated. Anyway, you make sure all these tabs are in where they go, and then you just snap everything back down into place gently on the top. That's it. Then you put your battery back in. If you were just doing the memory, you wouldn't have had to disconnect the cable on the keyboard. You might have had a bad number 7 key. I tried to fix a stupid thing. Gave up. Then you want to check your keyboard. Make sure everything is copacetic here. I'll tell you, these computers break a lot. Before my warranty ran out, Dell rebuilt this thing twice. They're very delicate. I wouldn't let the kids play with these kind of things if you have any kids. They're very delicate. Toshiba makes a more sturdy version of laptop, I think. I don't even know if you can hear me with this stupid air conditioner. I should have probably shut it off. And once it comes up, you just test it. Yeah, the keyboard's working. Good.